Ladies and gentlemen, joining me on this breaking news broadcast is Republic Media Network's Pradeep Bhandari, who's on the ground right live outside Rhea's residence. He tracked and confronted Rhea Chakraborty right from the DRDO guest house to the Santa Cruz police station and back to Rhea's house. Pradeep Bhandari, you're live, which, you know, over the last, 1 hour, we've seen the entire Mumbai police come out for Rhea Chakraborty. It's been absolutely unbelievable. Pradeep, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Arnab.
So what's been going on, Pradeep, over the last 1 hour?
Absolutely, Arnab, if you can hear me, Arnab, I have never seen that a Mumbai police force, a professional police force, which is meant to give security to the citizens of India, has turned into a private security force of Rhea Chakraborty. Now, an accused, which is named in an FIR, goes to the police station. The Mumbai police cop escorts her to her house. The question is, the Mumbai police cop, when I asked the Mumbai police cop that why are you giving special treatment as if you're the private security guard of Rhea Chakraborty, to Rhea Chakraborty, he said he started bullying. So the question is that the Mumbai police, which failed completely to file FIR in 60 days, which failed completely to take cognizance of the murder of Sushant Singh Rajput at this moment, was hell-bent to give private security to Rhea Chakraborty and Showik Chakraborty. Even if I take the principle, Arnab, they ensured...
Hold your mic in your hand, otherwise we're not getting the audio clean.
Constitution of India, they prevented...
You need to hold your mic closer to you, otherwise we can't hear you clearly. Please continue. Please continue, Pradeep.
Arnab, if you can hear me, if my audio is true, what I am saying is that the Mumbai police prevented the right to report which is given in the Constitution. Now, we were asking simple questions to Rhea Chakraborty, that why did she leave Sushant's house on 8? What about the drug chat of her brother and Rhea Chakraborty? Why was Mumbai police, which did not give such special treatment to either Siddharth Pitani or Deepesh Sawant, the co-accused in the entire case, why are they hell-bent? Why is the Santa Cruz police station acting as the private police station of Rhea Chakraborty, which clearly means, Arnab, there is connivance, there is conspiracy between Mumbai police and Rhea Chakraborty, which we have been indicating from the past 60 days.
I want to say this. I want to say this, Pradeep Bhandari. I want to see an Uddhav Thackeray. I'm talking to you directly. Uddhav Thackeray, you did not give me my fundamental rights, the Constitution did. Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar, you did not give me the Constitution. Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, let me tell you, you have no right to subvert my reporters and my media organizations' fundamental rights. Uddhav Thackeray and the Sonia Sena is turning Maharashtra into a police state. It's like an emergency situation is back in Maharashtra, right because of the Sonia Sena, Pradeep Bhandari. We must say it loud and clear. If this state government is
absolutely
for Rhea, by Rhea and of Rhea Chakraborty, Uddhav Thackeray, I'm telling you, if your government is of Rhea, by Rhea and for Rhea Chakraborty, and for the accused in this case, then you might as well say so and leave it. We will not accept a police state in any part of this country, in any gully, mohalla, city or state of this country. It is absolutely and completely clear out here that what the Maharashtra police and the Mumbai police is doing is protect Rhea Chakraborty. Do you have any doubts about that? And tell our viewers who may have missed out in the last 1 hour what happened.
Well, Arnab, in the last 1 hour, Rhea Chakraborty went outside the CBI guest house. Now, I've been tracking the CBI guest house from the past 7 days. I have not seen such heavy police protection. Now, the Mumbai police protected Rhea Chakraborty as if they were protecting and giving security to Uddhav Thackeray. In fact, the chief minister of this state would not be getting such special treatment from the Santa Cruz police station as Rhea Chakraborty was getting. So the Mumbai police car escorts Rhea Chakraborty from the Santa Cruz police station back to her house. And the Mumbai police acted as the private security force. Arnab, it's just not off Rhea, by Rhea, for Rhea. It is Rhea's government is what it is apparent, because I did not see such a treatment given to Siddharth Pitani. I did not see such a treatment given to Dipesh Sawant. In fact, they were sent in Ola, Uber, rental cabs. The question is, what is so special about protecting Rhea Chakraborty that the Mumbai police, which failed to file an FIR in 60 days, is preventing my constitutional right and constitutional right of every journalist to report and ask her simple questions, which the PR journalist will never ask. I asked her simply,
well, let us not mince words.
Sushant's house
let us not mince words, Pradeep. There is a prime accused. A prime accused is getting top-notch police security. A prime accused is chaperoned by the Mumbai police. And there is a key witness and a possible suspect who says that he has given the names of those who entered Sushant's house to the CBI. There is a man who no one has questioned, yet every key testimony has named who is running at the sight of our cameras. And the only way, Pradeep Bhandari, to reach the truth is to confront these people.
Yes.
And the only way that I have and you have, Pradeep Bhandari, to reach the truth is to reach these people. And I'm saying this to the people of India today. I have no other recourse today but to have my reporters reach these people by running after them. And I'm asking the people watching this program today, that right the Mumbai police, Maharashtra government and Uddhav Thackeray want to snatch away from me. And I will not allow that to happen. Pradeep Bhandari, let's make it absolutely clear. You do a dharna if necessary out there. We will not move.
Absolutely.
We will not move.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.